Welcome to Baking with Teal and me. Today, we are gonna make some banana bread with
crusty bananas.
Crusty, dusty bananas that have been sitting on my counter. You would think I buy them for decoration, not for food. This is Ella's favorite recipe to make. It's a family recipe of hers. You need one bowl, and it's easy peasy. First things first, preheating the oven to 325 and getting our mushy bananas in a bowl.
You need 3 to 4 mushy bananas, whatever you got. Now mash those Rizzlers up.
What does Rizzlers mean?
Like they're Riz.
2 eggs.
Mix. So this recipe calls for 1 cup sugar, but if you want to make it healthy, you can do half a cup of sugar and half a cup of applesauce. But I'm Ella, so we're gonna add a whole cup of sugar. Sky, the sun, the sky. Now you're gonna do 1/4 cup melted butter that's cooled. Now you're gonna do 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. Into half. Next. Okay, now it should look like this. Since we don't have to spray, we're just using regular and spreading it around with your napkin. Are gonna add in some mini chocolate chips.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Right, now we're gonna bake at 325 for 1 hour. Right, it's like pretty cooled. I can touch the pan, but still a little warm. But let's see. Does it stick? It smells so good. I personally am not a fan of the end piece. Sorry, I'm not. Ella heated hers up and put some butter on it.
And more sugar.
And more sugar. All right, cheers me. Delicious. I love banana bread. So good. See you next time on Baking with Teal and
Me.